Hello, in this video we are going to check out top 5 best folding electric bike under $1,000. We made this list based on my personal opinion that's a result of research for our. We ranked the products based on their quality, specification and all other important facts. We have tried to select them from various price range, so you can easily find the best product for you. You will also find product links in the description. You can check everything about the products through the links. Number 5. Brand name, Vivi. Equipped with a 350-watt high-speed motor and a removable 36-volt 8-ampere-hour lithium-ion battery, allows you to easily charge the e-bike battery pack in your office without taking up a lot of space. A quick charge takes only 4 to 6 hours. A single charge can travel 35 to 45 kilometers, enough to meet your needs, suitable for adults, youth, work, city travel, and short trips. With 3 smart riding modes, battery and pedal assist and normal mode. Unlike most folding e-bikes of the same size, Vivi e-bikes have 3-speed adjustable gears. It increased shock suspension, greatly improving the damping performance, giving more support to the cervical spine and back, increasing the smoothness and more comfortable experience of the ride. This folding electric bike features a lightweight aluminum frame and high-quality bike components. The height adjustable seat and handlebars allow you to ride in a relaxed position. It also features 20-inch tires and front suspension, dual-disc brake design, and a 7-speed professional drivetrain, LED headlight and taillight. These make the brakes more responsive and adapt to terrain changes for a smoother and safer ride. Number 4. Brand name, FIDO. Model number, D3S. FIDO D3S e-bike is equipped with a 250-watt high-magnification brushless motor and a built-in 36-volt 7.8-ampere-hour lithium-ion battery. The speed can reach 15 miles per hour and ride up to 35 to 50 kilometers. Shimano Professional rear 6-speed gear makes it adapt to different road. FIDO D3S e-bike has adopted a new technology of the dual-disc brakes to ensure more stable and safe riding, and the front fork is made of high-strength carbon steel and packed with premium comfort. Shock absorption, double-layer aluminum alloy wheel. The bright LED headlamp and horn is equipped for night riding. You can have it with minimal storage space and easily store into any vehicle or the corner of your home or office. Number 3. Brand name, Hemo. Model number, C20. 250-watt powerful motor offers a fast speed of up to 25 kilometers per hour. 10-ampere-hour lithium battery allows 50 kilometers range in pure electric mode, 80 kilometers range in moped mode. Aluminum alloy construction for extreme durability. Maximum load, 100 kilograms. Battery management system protects the battery and ensures long service life. Efficient front and rear brakes for safer braking and riding. Super bright LED headlight and rear light for added safety at night. Foldable non-slip pedal and handlebar, easy storage and transport. Ideal for urban, commuting, short trip, shopping, and daily use. Number 2. Brand name, FIDO. Model number, D4S. 250-watt high-rate brushless motor, 36-volt 10.4-ampere-hour large capacity built-in lithium battery, lower power consumption, improved climbing performance and reduced battery load. The speed is up to 15.6 miles per hour. The pure electric mode is about 60 kilometers, and the electric auxiliary mode is 80 kilometers. Charging time, 7 hours. The electric bike has 3 driving modes: pure electric, driving, electric assist, which has the advantages of ordinary bicycles, and electric bicycles that you can switch freely. In addition, the variable speed setting can quickly switch to your comfortable speed. Front and rear disc brakes fully protect your safety. The front fork is made of high-strength carbon steel and packed with premium comfort shock absorption, 20-inch big aluminum alloy wheel and shock absorber. The bright LED headlamp and horn is equipped for night riding. Our electric bicycle adopts 100% lightweight aluminum alloy collapsible frame for quick folding and easy storage. You can have it with minimal storage space and easily store into any vehicle. Number 1. Brand name, Hemo. Model number, Z20. Hemo has a flexible and powerful 10 ampere-hour lithium battery with the ability to ride 80 kilometers on one charge. Dynamic dual-mode cycling that allows for both electric and manual cycling. Versatile, transportable and sleek, which allows it to be folded, stored and transported without difficulty, and has a removable battery. Shimano 6-speed transmission system that allows for fast and reliable gear adjustment. Protective battery management system that calculates power and monitors current, voltage and temperature. Intelligent vector control system, which is its brain that signals to communicate. Crystal clear waterproof HD display that efficiently conveys useful riding data. Advanced high-efficiency DC brushless motor that allows a variety of riding options. It has a patented aluminum frame which is lightweight, compact and durable, easing foldability and storage.